Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to use match clause of Cypher to get nodes. For that we use a default movie database to perform this task. You will learn how to get all nodes from database and how you can now data model for the graph as well as get all nodes based on your label and get all nodes from your different label like movie and person. So let's get started. So if you don't know how to install and other things, please watch my earlier video where I teach you how to configure this new for the desktop and create clause for Cypher. Okay, let's click on this. Now first task to get all the nodes. So to get all the nodes from database you need to write match n stand for n number all nodes. Okay, so here you can see with the help of this you are able to get all the nodes available in this database and here you can see there are 169 nodes are anonymous node and 138 for your movie nodes and 131 for your person nodes. Okay, so how to retrieve your data model for the graph? There is a command called db.schema.visualization. Okay, and when you execute this call then you are able to see your relationship, how many relationships are there and so and other thing like constraint indexing. So these things you can, if you want to check this, you can execute this query. Okay, now we will next how to get a node for a particular label like person or movie. For that match n movie return n. Okay, so here you will get 38 because earlier we checked these are the 38 nodes. So for movie there are 38. Okay, same thing you need to get all the nodes for your person and run this. You will get all the nodes related to person and these are 131. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you very much.